Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb, and today we are here with an unboxing video. This is a Tukzer RGB gaming mousepad. For a long time I have wanted to buy one of those, but these are too costly, too expensive till now. This one I got in Amazon Prime sale. Usually these cost around 1500, and I thought that is too much for a simple mousepad, but I got this for around 900 in the Amazon Prime sale. This arrived just now. So I just wanted to do the unboxing and just show you how it looks with the lights on. So this has 12 months warranty, and yeah, it is washable apparently. I don't know how it was. It's mentioned that it is machine washable. So I'm not sure how that works, because this is electronics in that. Strong toughness, non-deformable, that's good. So this is the Astronaut edition. They had two variants. This one was a colored one, so I did not like that one. This one that much, too much color for my taste. And this one is the Astronaut. We'll just see it in a few minutes how it looks. The product size is 80 centimeter into 30 centimeters, so that's quite long enough. This will accommodate your keyboard and your mouse, and yeah, also if you want your laptop and your mouse, that also works. USB interface. Wire is 1.2 meter black data wire, power 0.75 watt, voltage 150 mAh, normal. It's normal. The product model is TZGD11. Okay, this is the social media links. Idea seeded in Hollywood, California. Lol. What does it matter? It's made in India. So RGB backlighting, 7 colors, USB powered. Okay, waterproof surface, that's important in case you spill water or your tea or your coffee, so that will come in handy then. High density textile structure for best mouse pad control. Okay, this is a control, I guess, control type mouse pad. Anti sweating DA. Oh my god, there's a typo, a spelling mistake. That is not a good sign. And stitched edges prevents wrapping and fraying, increasing durability. Anti-skid, blah blah blah. Okay, this is giving me doubts. Is this a real one? There should not be spelling mistakes. Anyways, let's go ahead. Usually in these Chinese brands they have some spelling mistakes like that. Let's see, depends on the product, how good is it. So okay, there we go. This is the back side. This is rubberized for better grip. This is the LED strip, and RGB luminous mouse pad, model number, Tukzer. Okay, let me turn it over. Okay, this is the button here, and so it's quite long enough. Let me turn it on and show you how it looks. So I have plugged it in. This has a micro USB cable provided along with that, and the cable quality is not that good, filmy. But coming to the main point, this is how it looks. The color is quite consistent. There is a button here, and if you click that, it changes the color. I would say it's quite bright. It looks nice. I'm not sure how well it's translating on camera, but yeah. By clicking on that, it is it's changing the colors, and apparently this is 7 coloring modes. There was also a breathing mode here. The colors are quite nice, and yeah. So yeah, this is the breathing mode. So I think, in spite of any spelling mistakes and all, this is money well spent. This cost just around 900, and I will be doing that a long-term review of this later, after a few months, to tell you guys how well this performs. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one very soon. Till then, check out one of our latest videos here, and take good care of yourself. Goodbye.